Mistplay points usually don't show up instantly because the app tracks play sessions first, then syncs that data back to its servers. That delay can make it look like your points are missing when they're just stuck in processing. By the end of this, you'll know how to tell the difference between delayed points and broken tracking, and how to fix both. Here's the main answer. If your points are delayed, the first thing to do is wait. Mistplay often updates progress after you fully close the game and return to the Mistplay app. If you stay inside the game for hours without reopening Mistplay, your session may not sync. That's step 1. Close the game, open Mistplay, and give it a minute to refresh. Watch your units, balance and game progress bar die too. If nothing changes, check your internet. Mistplay needs a live connection to send playtime data. If you played offline, or your connection dropped, your points can stay pending until the app reconnects. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, reopen Mistplay, and force a refresh. Next, check if tracking permissions got disabled. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Permissions, and make sure Usage Access and App Tracking Permissions are still enabled. If these are off, Mistplay may see the install but miss the gameplay. This is where most delayed points problems happen. Now, check if you installed the game correctly. Mistplay only tracks games installed through its own link. If you downloaded the same game directly from the Google Play Store before opening Mistplay, your playtime might not count at all. If that happened, uninstall the game and reinstall it through Mistplay's game page. Another thing to check is server load. If Mistplay is running a big promotion, or there's heavy traffic, point syncing can slow down. That usually fixes itself without you doing anything. If your points are still missing after a full day, open Mistplay support. Go to your profile, tap support, and send them the game name, install date, and your latest session details. That gives them the best shot at manually checking the log. Quick recap. Close the game and reopen Mistplay to trigger sync. Check your internet and permissions. Make sure the game was installed through Mistplay, not manually. Your next step is simple. Test one short play session for 5 minutes, then close the game and check if the points update. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes and earning guides.